New cheap iPhone. What Apple is preparing. Apple will release iPhone SE2 in March next year. Apple intends to release a budget smartphone iPhone SE2 in March next year. This gadget will become the successor to the iPhone SE and will cost the buyer no more than $399 for the base model. Barclays analyst Blaine Curtis broadcast the latest rumors about the iPhone, which are scheduled for production and release in 2020, according to the Macrumors portal. Curtis is known to have visited Apple's contractor production in Asia and shared his insights on what to expect from Apple next year. Of particular interest is the announcement of the iPhone SE2 smartphone, which will be the successor to the iPhone SE. With a high degree of probability, SE2 will be presented to the general public in March 2020, which correlates with the launch of the SE model in the same month in 2016. According to rumors, the cost of the iPhone SE2 will start at $399. As for the appearance of the device, it will presumably be similar to the iPhone 8. It is also expected that the iPhone SE2 will have a mechanical Touch ID button, which is absent in modern iPhones. Since SE2 is considered a budget model, it can boast only one rear camera, as well as an LCD display made by LG. The amount of RAM will be 3 GB, and the internal, 64 GB or 128 GB. The iPhone SE2 will be based on the A13 processor, which is also installed in the iPhone 11 line. Thus, at the output, users will receive a gadget of an average price category, but with improved performance. True, as an analyst of the 9 to 5 Mac portal notes, the March device in fact will not be an evolution of the iPhone SE, but rather a new version of the G8. However, this is unlikely to be interesting to potential buyers of the iPhone SE2. According to preliminary forecasts, the company will release 2 to 4 million devices, counting on good demand. In addition, additional information appeared about the upcoming iPhone 12 lineup in September 2020.